Empties. Today we are going to be talking about garbage. No, it's not the garbage that you might think that you throw away at the end of the week. We're going to be talking about the garbage that I either love or hate. I have a fascination with watching these videos on seeing what people actually like and do not like. So we are going to be getting into that today. We are going to start out on a high note with some loves. So my first one is just a conditioner that I picked up at Walmart. You can probably get it anywhere like Target or Safeway or whatever drugstore you have in your area. It is the Pantene Repair and Protect Conditioner, and it is the big bottle in the pump. I love the pump just because it's so much easier in the shower. You don't have to worry about trying to hold and squeeze the bottle and everything like that. Another thing that I really like about this is that it made my hair soft and not globby, and the smell smells really good. So it smells kind of like a clean lotion, but not like cottony, just kind of like, I don't really know how to describe it. So next up on the list, moving right along, is going to be the Kat Von D blotting powder refill. It just has on the back the shade, sorry, I'm trying to blind you guys here. And I actually didn't know this, but you can actually take the pan out of the filler. So I recently got a new one not too long ago. So it's the compact like this. And then this part right here, that's the pan that you can actually take out. And there's just like a little hole on the back. You see right there, it's like a little pin. And you actually just push it out and actually just purchase the refill, which I thought was awesome. So I didn't have to buy the whole thing over again because my compact is still in good working condition. So I didn't want to spend all this money getting a new one. What I like about the blotting powder is that it is soft on my skin and it helps control my oil a little bit more than regular powders. I find that other powders make me really oily, and that's what I have a problem with, is oily skin. I usually just do it underneath my under eyes, and if I'm putting on like blush or contour, then I'll do it on my cheeks just to help set it. Going back to hair, this is actually a product that I've been using for I think 2 years now. It is the Catwalk Fashionista purple shampoo, or violet shampoo I guess is what it's called on the bottle. And it just looks like this. And you can get it at any salon. I usually get mine at Ulta, usually when they have the sales on the big bottles, because it lasts me forever. What I really loved about this was that it took out the brassiness of my hair, since I have it platinum or kind of white, I guess you would say. I use it every now and then just to take out the brassiness and help keep it updated and everything. It was not drying, and it's color safe also, which makes it awesome when I do my hair, when I re-dye it every 6 weeks. And so I actually prefer this over the, I believe it's L'Oreal or something like that. I was using that for a while, and then I found this one and it changed my life. Like, I never went back to that other one. I've always gotten this one since then. I'm obsessed with perfumes and body sprays. I have so many. And I actually finally got done with this one. I love Victoria's Secret perfumes. This one is the Victoria's Secret Night, and I just got it in the little mini bottle here. I don't know where the top went, but you know how things go. You just lose them and they're gone. You never know. But what I really like about this one is that it has like a musky scent, but it's like an adult musky scent. Like, I feel like a grown woman that can take on the world with this. I know as cheesy as that sounds, like, I feel like a powerful businesswoman, and that I'm like, yeah, I'm adulting. And I don't know, it just smells really good. So I definitely purchase again when they have their semi-annual sale. And we have another hair. This one, I honestly wish that I could just purchase separate because I am obsessed with it. It is the Feria Anti-Brass Conditioner that I get with my hair dye. and it's amazing. Like, I just wish that they sold it separately. I would just buy this all day long. It's a conditioner that kind of does the same thing as the purple shampoo. It takes out the brassiness and everything like that, and I use it after I dye my hair during the rinsing process. Then, since I get 2 boxes, I usually have 1 left over, so I eventually use that throughout, like in between. This smells amazing. Like, it literally smells like a perfume, and oh my god, you need to step up your game and get this out, because that would be wonderful. Next is actually makeup related. This one is the Naked Skin Weightless Coverage Concealer, and it's just this one right here, and it is in the shade Fair Neutral. I really liked this. It did give me a lot of coverage for those bad days when I look like a fucking zombie. I'm like with the tube in here, just like a regular wand-ish. And yes, I would absolutely like to get this again. Last but not least is going to be the Island Papaya Gentle Foaming Hand Soap from Bath & Body. And this smells amazing. It smells like summer, just like the essence of summer. And it has tropical coconut, fresh papaya, and sugar cane in it. I wish that they made this into a candle because it smells amazing. So the next 2 are going to be just like meh, just like in the middle. Like, I don't really love them, but I don't really hate them either. First one is going to be another hair product. I go through a lot of hair products. It's the Pantene Smooth and Sleek Shampoo. It was okay. It didn't really impress me that much, and I don't know. I just don't think that I would be really repurchasing it again. I just think that I would kind of skip over it. I tried it and it didn't really impress me. Next is going to be the Up & Up brand Moisturizing Shave Gel for dry skin. Got this at Target. It's just like a basic shave gel. It's pretty comparable to the regular brand, and I don't know, it didn't last me very long, I guess, is one reason why I didn't like it. I went through it very quickly, and it was just there. I was just like, meh, it didn't really do much for me, and I'd probably pass on it. Lastly, we have the dumps, and the first one is going to be this K-Bea Perfecting Superberry Mud Mask, and I just picked it up at Target in their like kind of makeup section. I did not like this. It did not do anything that I expected. It smelled horrible. It just smelled like fake berry and plastic, and I didn't feel like it did anything for me. It didn't really make my skin soft or fresh, or it just kind of left it kind of feeling tacky a little bit. And so I just used it that one time, and I was like, nope, gonna pass. Lastly is a foundation that I quickly picked up at Walgreens because I was out of my regular. So I just decided that this would kind of hold me over, I guess, until the next time when I could get my other one. This is the Revlon Color Stay combination in the shade Neutral Beige 220. Yeah, I have no words to describe how much I hate this foundation. It was awful. It just made my skin so oily, and it was so streaky going on. It blended horribly. It was just all around a no-go on every direction. I did try to use it up by mixing it with my regulars, so that way it wouldn't waste, at least, because I felt like, well, I kind of did spend money on this, so I should probably use it up. But never again, ever. All right, so those were my loves and dumps for the last couple of months. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you guys later.